we will guide you through how to fix the "there was a problem resetting your Windows computer" error in a simple and easy to follow way. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. This error can happen for a few different reasons, so we will go to step by step to make sure your computer can reset properly. First, open your Start menu and open Command Prompt. Just type CMD and just click on Run as Administrator. And once it opens, type the following command. Type REAGENTC, give a space and give a forward slash, and type disable and hit enter. And as you can see, we will get our message saying operation successful. Now we need to re-enable it. Just type REAGENTC, just give a space and give a forward slash and type enable and hit enter once again. Wait for it to load. And again we will get a message saying enabled. In most cases, this can alone fix the reset issue. If not, we will move to the next step. Now, let's scan for corrupted system files. Type the following command. Type sfc, give a space, type forward slash, and type scan now. And hit enter. Windows will now scan for any corrupted or damaged files. This can take a few minutes, so if any issues are found, Windows will automatically repair them. And as you can see, we are at 10%, so it may take quite some time. So just be patient and wait for the verification to complete. And once the verification is complete, let's move to another step. Let's use DISM to repair window image. Just type this exact command that I am typing in my screen right now and hit enter. This process may take a while depending on your computer. What this does is check the health of your Windows installation and fix any deeper issues that might be preventing your computer or device from restarting. Once this finishes, just close your command prompt and restart your computer. Just click on restart and restart your computer to see if this fixes your issue. If the reset still does not work, we will use Advanced Startup. First, just go to your search bar and search for Settings. From the recommendation, just open your Settings and click on System. Scroll down until you find an option labeled as Recovery. And in Recovery options, you will get different options like Reset this PC, and you will also get an option labeled as Advanced Startup. What this does is it restarts your device to change startup settings, including startup from disk or USB drive. And when your computer restarts, you will see the advanced recovery options. Click troubleshoot, then advanced option and select startup repair. And Windows will fix any startup issue automatically. This can take a few minutes. Choose reset this PC. You will get two options and it is labeled as keep my files or remove everything. For most user, keep my files is recommended option and follow the prompts and Windows will complete the reset process.